下面我们来看一下这一道题 ，legal writing。大家先把视频暂停一下，用大概30秒到40秒的时间，把这段话呢先读一遍。Alright， 我们读完之后呢，我们来精读一下。我们看第一部分 ，legal writing is usually less discursive than writing in other humanities subjects。比较简单，对不对 ？Humanities 这个 s 这个 s 开头，所以呢 s 我们可以稍微拖一下。Humanities subjects，humanities subjects。Okay, and precision is more important than variety. More important than variety. 读得快的时候呢，大家听一下 is more important than variety. 这个 t 呢口型做到位，我并没有读成 is more important than variety. 这个后面这个 t 呢，我基本上没有这个音，但是口型是做到位的。你可以把这个音发得非常的弱，但一定要非常的迅速。好，我们来看第二部分。Sentence structure should not 我没有读成 should not be, okay? Sentence structure should not be, should 做出口型 not 做出口型 be, should not be too complex. It is usually unnecessary to make, 听到了吧？这 k 呢非常的弱，我没有读成 make. To make extensive use of adjectives or adverbs.Adjectives or adverbs 不是 adjective adverb 那就错了。这里有一个 of 看到了吗？所有连在一起。Extensive use of adjectives or adverbs and consistency of 又一个 of and consistency of terms is often required。这个 d 一定要发出来 required。好，我们连起来读一下。Legal writing is usually less discursive than writing in other humanities subjects.And precision is more important than variety. Sentence structure should not be too complex. It is usually unnecessary to make extensive use of adjectives or adverbs, and consistency of terms is often required. All right, guys, thank you.